What up, Sacred family? Today we're going to be doing a breakdown of Lil Yachty and Ian's Hate Me official music video by Lyrical Lemonade. Just a little reminder, I'm not as skillful as Lyrical Lemonade's team. I'm going to just do the best I can, provide as much value as I can to you guys. With that being said, hit the subscribe button down below. We're dropping videos every single day this month. You don't want to miss out. Hit the notification bell. You don't want to miss a video. Hit that like button if you want to continue to support my channel. It's free. You guys aren't paying me. And all it does is help YouTube push my video out to other people as well. So please, guys, go ahead and hit that like button. Let's hop straight into After Effects. So these will be the clips we'll be working with for the first effect. As you guys can see, for these two layers, I already rotoscoped the subjects out from the background. So that's going to be the first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure you rotoscope the subject out from the background. If you guys don't know how to rotoscope, I'll link down below a video of me explaining how to rotoscope on After Effects. Make sure you check it out if you don't know how to rotoscope. We're gonna go ahead and throw these clips on top of the first one. I'm gonna just cut this down to the same length. Now we wanna go ahead and make those two rotoscope layers 3D. Now we can go ahead and place the subjects wherever we wanna place them. So let's go ahead and press on that layer, press P for position. Go ahead and move it around. You guys could also move it in Z space, put it more back in the scene. Let's go ahead and move the other ones, press P, and push them out back further. Them right there. Now if we want to remove Yachty from this shot, we're going to go ahead and select that layer. Go ahead and press on our pen tool. Go ahead and remove them. Then we're going to bring up the mask options on that layer. Instead of add, we're going to subtract. Now we have all of our components. Just move this more towards that area we just masked out. Back a little bit in Z space. There we go. Just like that. Go ahead and close out of those layers. Then we're going to go ahead and create a solid. We're going to go to effects and presets, search up gradient ramp. Throw that on our solid. I'm gonna go ahead and put that solid layer at the bottom, and then the start color, we're gonna probably choose the brightest that we could, and the end of the color, choose right down here. As you guys can see, it blends in a little bit better. What we're gonna do to make it blend more, we're gonna go to that layer that we masked out. We're gonna press M to bring up the mask. We're gonna feather that out. We're gonna bring that mask feather to like 70, so you can't even tell that there was a mask. Last thing we're gonna do to sell that effect even more, we're gonna search up Gaussian blur. We're gonna do that on top of our two rotoscope layers. So this is the one that's closer right here to the camera. So I'm probably bring the blur up to like 10. And then we're gonna throw on the other one. And since this one is further away from the camera, let's bring that up to like 20. Then we play it back, we have something like this. Super fire. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to do this effect. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, we're gonna be using the same clips that we used in the first effect that we did. We have our first rotoscope right here, our second rotoscope right here, and we have this clip right here with Ian and Lil Yachty right there in the back. What I did was I deleted the mask off of Yachty that we had for the first effect, and then we end up getting this. And for us to get that long composition effect, what you want to do is you want to go to your composition settings. As you guys can see, the width is 1552. We're going to go ahead and bring up our calculator, and we're going to times that by 3. So it's 1552 times 3, and we get 4656. So now what you guys are going to do is you're going to go up to composition, create a new composition. You're going to change that width to 4656, and you're going to keep the height the same, 1080. Once you create that composition, you're going to get a composition that the width is about this long, and that's exactly what we want. And these are the 3 clips that we have from the first composition, which was this one right here. So what I did, guys, I removed the rotoscope from this clip and this clip right here, and as you guys can see, the background is back. After I removed the rotoscope, I went to the position of both of those clips, and then I centered it out as best as I can. After I centered it out, I selected all those clips, right clicked, pre-compose. I checked off adjust composition duration to the time span of the selected layers, pressed OK, and then we get one layer right here, as you guys can see. And then what I did was I pressed on that layer, Control C. I went back into our original composition, Control V to paste, and then I hide all the other layers. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press P to bring up that position keyframe. I'm gonna add a keyframe to position, skip over a few frames, I'm gonna move the position to the next scene. Just like that, let it play for a little bit. I'll skip over again to the last scene. Now when we play it back, we got something like that. I think it's moving way too fast right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and bring that keyframe out so it smoothens out. I'll bring this one out even more. So it's all about adjusting right here and seeing what looks the best for you guys. And to make it even more smooth, we're gonna highlight those keyframes, press F9, easy ease, that's gonna make it more smooth. We're gonna go ahead, press on toggle switches and modes, and go ahead and turn on that motion blur. And we have something like this, super fire. Now for the stutter effect, guys, it's pretty easy. So this will be the clip. We're gonna duplicate this about 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're just gonna spread it out until we get to the other clip, just like so. And then we play it back. Get this little stutter effect. Pretty clean. And that is the end of this tutorial, guys. It's a little breakdown for the Ian and Lil Yachty Hate Me official music video by Lyrical Lemonade. If you guys learned something new, don't forget to subscribe button down below. We're dropping videos every single day this month. Hit that like button, continue to support my channel, guys. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next tutorial. Peace.